Okay guys, 2023 Honda Ridgeline RTL. This is a clean title trade-in we just got in. So no accidents, clean CarFax. Does have clear bra up here on the front. $10,421 on the miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist, backup camera, heated seats, 2 keys, and the wireless charging. All your different options here. Apple CarPlay. Does have the sunroof here. Crash avoidance, power mirrors, memory seats, power windows, locks, all-weather floor mats, power seats. There's your VIN number. This is a one owner. So these are all the carpet floor mats, brand new, never been put in the vehicle since he had the all-weathers. Dual exhaust, does have your hitch back here. Really pretty red color here. Black interior. This has LED lights on there, but it's not on unless I'm driving it, so sorry I didn't put those on, but it does have it. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.